Hey guys, welcome to WP Editing Tutorials, and in today's video we'll be learning how to import dummy profiles on your site. So let's get started. So you can see there are no menus on the site. For importing demo profiles, you'll get these two files, profiles and user photos. So firstly, let's extract the profiles to file, and you'll get this folder, profiles 500. This contains 500 user profiles. So these are the SQL files. So let me open this with a code editor if I have to make any changes. So this is my PHPMyAdmin to see all the database tables. So currently we can see it's WP underscore table prefix. So if you have a different table prefix, you need to change them. So you can check it in wp-config.php file on your WordPress installation directory. So as you can see, I'm opening wp-config.php. So you can check the table prefix. Currently it's WP underscore. It is the default table prefix. And all these files have the same table prefix, but if you have a different table prefix, you need to change them. So you need to replace them in all these files from WP underscore to your own table prefix. So and save them all. After you have done that, you can go to PHPMyAdmin and click on import and choose file and import all these files one by one. So let me import this first. Click on go. Now we have imported the first SQL file. Now let me put another one. Okay. Similarly, import all these files, member photos as well. So import all these SQL files one by one directly into your database. Choose file. Okay. Click on import. Choose file. Now profile.sql. Okay, sometimes you might get this error, unknown column Android underscore device in the field list. So for this, you need to go to your database and search for the table WP underscore DSP user profiles. So search for the user profiles table and click on it. Now go to structure. Now in the structure tab, you'll see these columns. Now you'll add two more columns and click on go. Two columns options are here. Now add the name Android underscore device and change it to varchar and length set it to 50. Similarly, add iOS underscore device and varchar 50 and click on save. Now you have added two more columns. Now you can import the file again. Click on import, choose file and profiles, user profiles, and click on go. Now this file is imported without any error. Similarly, import all the remaining files, user albums, choose file, the last one, users. Okay, so all the files have been imported. Now it's turn for uploading our user photos. So go to, so let me copy this. This is the user photos zip file. So let me copy this first. Okay, now go to WP content and upload folder. Then go to DSP media and you need to save here, copy and paste it here. Now there is already a user photos folder, so let me rename this. If you have any of your user photos, so and after that you can extract the file. Okay, now you can see the user photos folder here and move it in this section. And after you have moved the folder, you can see the user profiles on your site now. So user profiles have been imported to your website. But sometimes you might have some error and there might be file permission issue. So you might not see the user images. In that condition, you can open your terminal and add some code to set the permission of the user photos folder to recursively as 755 or 777, and you'll be able to see the user photos. So only in exceptional case you might not see the user photos due to permission issue. So you can easily change that either from the terminal or from your FTP. So if you have FTP, then you can simply open your FileZilla and open your FTP and go to the same location, user photos. So let me show it for you. Okay, so you can go to this DSP media folder and right click on the user photos and set the permission to 777 or 755. Recurse into the subdirectories and apply to all files and directories, and click on OK, so your user photos will be displayed properly. That's all. Thanks for watching.